Good morning, student. Welcome to your value education period. Today we'll start with a new lesson number 6, Being Brave, the story of a boy. Now we will learn that courage makes us face dangers without fear. Courage का मतलब क्या होता है? हिम्मत. That courage gives us the strength to deal with difficult situations. That courageous people are not put off by any obstacles. Obstacles means problems. Think and do. Look at the two pictures. Discuss the questions given below. Here you can see two pictures. A picture of a kitchen room in which the curtain has been fired. And what this boy is doing? He is afraid of this fire, and this girl, she is very courageous. What she is doing? She is putting off the fire by throwing water on it, isn't it? So which word describes the boy best? Is the boy courageous? No, he is a cowardly person. Cowardly means डरपोक, जिसे हम डरपोक कहते हैं. He is a cowardly person. And which word describes the girl best? She is a courageous girl. हिम्मत वाली लड़की, isn't it? Now what would you do in the same situation? This you can see the picture and answer it on your own. क्या इस लड़के की तरह आप डरपोक बनोगे या इस लड़की की तरह हिम्मत वाली? So you can write the answer on your own. Now we'll turn the page and start reading the lesson. Time to read The Brave Boy. There was once a boy named Freddie Nong Siege. He lived in Meghalaya. When he was little, the doctor said that he was suffering from a disease called epilepsy. What is this disease, epilepsy? It's a disorder in which nerve cell activity in the brain is disturbed, or brain injury we can say, such as trauma or stroke. But his poor health did not make him weak or cowardly. He dealt with his situation with great courage. Now one day when Freddie was 9 years old, what do you understand by this? That instead of having such a great disease or big disease, he was suffering from such a big disease, he was not afraid or he was not weak. He used to tackle all the situations with great courage. Now one day when Freddie was 9 years old, he was passing by a river when he heard the cries of a woman. He saw a woman crying because her child was drowning in the river. You can see a woman and her child is drowning in the river. He was too deep in the river. There seemed to be no hope. Freddie did not stop to think twice and jumped into the water. उसने एक नहीं सोचा, दो नहीं सोचा और तुरंत पानी में कूद गया. Now the first time he could not pull the child out. He came up gasping for breath himself. It was at the second try that Freddie succeeded in saving the child. Second time उसने उस बच्चे की जान बचा ली. The mother of the child thought he was an angel. Now Freddie received the National Bravery Award from the Government of India in January 2011. There were 22 other children besides him who were similarly awarded for their bravery that year. Now time to understand. When Freddie jumped into the river, he knew he was putting his own life at risk. A cowardly person would have lost heart at his thought. This thought, isn't it? अगर कोई डरपोक लड़का होता तो वहीं पे अपना घबराने लगता. But Freddie was not cowardly. वो डरपोक नहीं था. He was a person of immense courage. वो हिम्मत वाला लड़का था. His courage helped him take the risk to save the child. Courage gives us strength of mind and purpose. That also makes us selfless. If we have courage, we can think of facing any problem, isn't it? Now we need courage on many occasions in life. We need courage to be honest and true. We need courage to raise our voice against wrongs. We also need courage to deal with pain and sorrow. Now many people are afraid of certain things without any clear reason. Such illogical fear of something is called a phobia. Now the National Bravery Award is given by the Government of India and the Indian Council for Child Welfare to children who have done acts of great bravery. Now the award ceremony is held on the eve of the Republic Day and the awards are given by the Prime Minister. Okay. So this activity you can solve. Look at the maze, mark the part that will take you to the treasure at the center and circle the obstacles that made you think of giving up. Whatever obstacles are there, you have to circle it and you have to make the path to the treasure at the center. Now work out. Do you agree with the following statements? Tick yes or no. Cowardly people are always ready to put their lives at risk. Is it right? Yes or no? No. Cowardly people, they are not ready to put their lives at risk. Courage makes one take risks. Yes. Courageous people are selfish. No, they are selfless. Okay. Cowardly people cannot raise their voice against wrongs. Yes. Courageous people cannot deal with pain and sorrow. No. Okay, student, question and answers I'll send you later. Now you read this lesson, go through it and do this exercise. Timetable and portion has been given to you, students, so please start preparing for your exams. Thank you.